Today is special. I celebrate all the amazing women in our world. You have all been wonderful. I am certain that your greatness will never be contained. Thank you for being a blessing. You are forever celebrated. Much love. Happy International Women's Day. The first time God said it is not good was when he had not made a woman. The moment he made a woman, everything became good. Women are people of good and perfect being. If a woman is not there, it is not good. The ventromedial prefrontal cortex and areas in the limbic system are so active in women. These areas control intuition. No wonder women have high intuition. They have a high sense of inner knowing, even before they know it, anytime. A woman is going out. She dresses up beyond her body. She dresses her mind, thinks about it. She dresses her emotions, feels about it. And finally, she dresses her will, acts about it before she's ready to go. If she's not prepared to go, she's not ready to go. Women are not casual. They are actual. It's an insult to God to say a woman is ugly because God's creation of humanity was completed and perfected in women. Every woman is beautiful. Beauty does not make us differentiate women. It makes us appreciate them. Shouldn't be a woman's headache to be looking for who will marry her. That is the man's job. Let her keep adding value. 1,000 men will locate her. Why? Because men run after value, not after title. Women don't communicate what men don't understand. Men don't understand what women don't communicate. All right, let's reach a balance. Women, please communicate so men can understand. Men, please understand so women can communicate. We are over 7.6 billion people living in the world today. None of us jumped down from heaven but came through a woman. Women are God's special vessels for bringing humanity into reality. If there's no woman, there is no human. Every part of a woman is private. That was why she was not made in the presence of a man, but was later brought to him to appreciate. Dear lady, if you want your man to value what you have, don't make it public. Your body is not for public consumption. It is for private conditions. To tell a woman something is wrong with your body is to tell her something is wrong with your life. A woman doesn't just hear words. She feels words and relates to words. Wrong words can damage her system. Right words can build up her system. Don't say wrong words to women, no matter what, every. System in a woman is actively working. Her vision is sharp. She can see the smallest things. Her olfactory is good. She can smell the farthest dangers. Her auditory is powerful. She can hear the lowest decibels. Her gustatory is highly selective. She can taste the slightest affection. Her integumentary is sensitive. She can feel the tiniest touch. Oh, what a wonder a woman is. She's a super being. Hi, ladies. Keep yourself together. Freshen up. Tidy up. Look elegant. Dress beautifully. Do your work. Watch your weight. Avoid fat and junk foods. Do regular breast examinations. Do regular exercise. Take a long stroll. Relate well with people. Be your best person. Live a good life. A woman is a wombed man. She has a womb for incubating. She's either incubating an idea in her mind or incubating a baby in her womb. Either way, the result should be a blessing to the world. Women are treasures of inestimable value. Everything about a woman is beautiful. Her voice is beautiful. Her walk is beautiful. Her talk is beautiful. Her look is beautiful. Her mind is beautiful. And of course, her life is beautiful. If you are a woman, conform to the woman you are. You are beautiful. Can a woman become president? Yes. Can a woman preach? Yes. God didn't put competition between men and women. He put completion between them. What a man can do, a woman can do. Not with a competitive spirit, but with an intuitive spirit. God didn't create human competitions. He created human institutions. Women are highly emotionally intelligent. From a small growing girl to a mature adult woman, they understand emotions and the bits of it. Emotional intelligence helps women with their relational and communication skills. Woman does not want affection. She needs it. The easiest way to kill a woman is not to shoot her. It is to make her feel unloved. A woman who is not loved will be lost. To every woman who has never experienced genuine love from any man, I present to you the unfailing love of God that fills the heart with joy. Please accept it. I hope there's nothing wrong with me. For these past 3 days, I've just not been feeling myself. A soliloquy from a lady about herself. Hey dear, there is nothing wrong with you. You only need not to wrong yourself. But there's so much internal and external conflict going on with women. Anyway, there's much more peace available. You can get it. There's been a sudden rise in single mothers in the U.S. recently. The top causes have been divorce and premarital pregnancies. Life becomes stressful for a woman when she's carrying it alone. We've got to do it together. Women, please help men. Stay with your spouse. Enjoy your marriage. Don't endure it. Who has found a virtuous woman? For her price is more than rubies. A woman of character and value, full of wisdom and humility. She looks well to the ways of her household and eats not the bread of idleness. Her children call her blessed, and her husband praises her. Oh, what a great woman. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Isay Music got you. Contact sapiensofgodgmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. A woman. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. The energy we carry, how to cultivate positive vibes and transform your life. 5. What to do when you're confused. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.